Hello, very warm welcome from us all here at Perrys Mansfield. I've got this beautiful Ford KA Plus 1.2 Ti VCT Z-Tech 5-door. It does feature a full Ford service history, and it's also got the city pack, so we've got parking sensors and fold away door mirrors as an extra, and of course we've got this beautiful metallic grey paintwork. No marks on any of the paintwork or the alloys. And then let's take a look inside to show you some of the features and benefits of the inside. First and foremost, no smokers and no pets ever been in this car, and we've got Isofix child seat anchor points there to keep babies, children and toddlers secure with the seat system that attaches to the chassis of the car rather than wrap-around seat belt type, which is of course much safer. 5-speed gearbox, 56.5 miles per gallon you'll get in a combined fuel cycle out of this car. 12-volt power supply to power any accessories or phones. We've got USB connectivity. Again, you can also connect your phone and charge it via that method, and you can also plug a memory stick in there. If you've got some music on, pop it in there and play it through the player. In the centre we've got an auxiliary line in, and that's used for older iPods, etc. MP3 players. We've got temperature control, which does include air conditioning, radio including DAB radio, media, phone for Bluetooth telephony, and you can stream music directly from your smartphone via either music stored on the phone or via a music application like Spotify, Napster, Apple Music, etc. Trip computer, and in the centre of your picture now we've got volume control for both Bluetooth and audio, and controls for both Bluetooth answering and dismissing calls, and radio station preset control. On the right hand side we've got speed limiter and cruise control. On the door there we've got power to all 4 windows, fold away door mirrors as mentioned earlier on, and electronic door mirror adjustment. So travel along to see us folks. Beautiful car, and certainly worth, with a full dealership service history, you coming to see. Not only that, the car's been prepared by our Ford main dealer technicians as well. Recent award-winning customer service and fabulous aftercare service. So we'd love to see you soon. Thanks for watching, bye bye.